I have got two bigger batteries now. For the Flex, I have the 10 amp hour stacked lithium, and for the Hercules, I have the 8 amp hour extreme performance battery. That means we are going to retest air peak torque. Previously, the highest peak torque I got on this was 25.5 foot-pounds. We're in speed one, we're in drill mode, the fully charged 8 amp hour extreme performance battery. Oh my God. 42.2 foot-pounds. That fully charged 10 amp hour stacked lithium battery. In speed one, in drill mode. 45.1 foot-pounds. That is killer.